So if you see 41 and 41, you don't get, no, 71 and 71. 210 at a 142, you don't get the same. Because day and night. Yes, I mean, so previous to the first video in gone, we did tell him about 141. And that blow up and lick out the head, everybody want to meet and see. But you know, Rastafari live on and live forever. There is no age, there is no limit. That's what I'm saying. You don't know that? The whole of the moon is shine bright. You know what, man? Just eat right and think right. Sleep good. See how your bed when night come. Go your bed when night come. I don't make nothing worry your mind. But the material.
My drop, my got the guy's chair slot.
So you get the name MamaLilly now?
MamaLilly?
MamaLilly.
Because me a mother of the earth.
Sir.
Me a mother to all children. Me a your mother too. MamaLilly. You know? Because me a mother. Mother of the earth. The earth is the garden and the fullness thereof. Yes, I'm saying. But your mama, earth.
Every time.
Yeah. Stay on earth.
Don't in your earth.
Yeah, man.
So, what is the contribution to your aging?
Contribution
Yes.
to my aging?
Yes.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Okay, so for instance, what are the things that you use to contribute to your lifestyle? Like your eating or your sleeping or...
Eat right, think right, exercise. You see, exercise is a key. And fresh early. Because some people not fresh and wash hair. Water life. Yes, I mean go swimming. Yes, I mean go exercising. You know, eat up a natural food. Think right. So I mean say, not have no corruption or bad mind in it but no one. And the more time you open up the channels, have that mercy and glory and shine upon you. Make all things what you do come to life. That's what I say. People have to come look for you. Yeah, man, I want some medicine. Yeah. You feel sick. Yeah. Yes, I mean all the glory of the Rastafari. So that's why we become the mother of earth.
Talk about your roots and your tonic a little bit. What them good for?
When you see within this one, when you see within label, this one is a cleanser, where it cleanses the system from whatever problem may happen to it, like sugar, pressure, you call it biliousness, cold, cramp. You know, it cleanses the system. So when you clean out all this, now you build the system with the tonic. You know, build the system with the root tonic. It's good for the nervousness, tired feeling, can't sleep well. You know, make you strong.
So you make all the tonic yourself?
Yeah. Go look in the herbs in the wild. Talk with the herbs and I work with the moon. So anytime I when the moon is new coming up, that's the time of the medicine will be coming up in the herbs. So they go get in the herbs. Then you cure your herb by drying them into the cool.
So as far as all the ingredients and stuff, is that something that was taught to you by someone else?
Yes, my king man. The king man. Yeah man, the king man taught me what roots we must get and put it together. And me go get them, bring them in. And he showed me how the proportion what to use. You know. Go along.
We start a little bit about the way you dress and what it signifies.
You like how me dress?
Yeah.
African. We are African, you're just like Africa. If you're European, you're just like European. Shut up and... Yes, Africa.
Talk a little bit about the head wrap.
My head wrap.
What's the name of it and what it's called?
There's some cloth there for me, Bridget. You see, I just wrap them. This is African rap, I'm sure. It says rap on Matty Jess. So it's a completeness that
But
lives within.
is rapping in here, is it a significant way you're rapping?
Yeah, because it's a tradition within the Rastafari where woman adorn themselves. So you adorn yourself in mother's apparel. So when coming out on the street, then you adorn yourself. You put on your head wrap, put on your nice dress, because you're coming out. You may not go bush when you're in my yard. So I adorn myself to meet the ones there.
You can share with me your personal journey and how you started up Rastafari as an empress.
But you see, blessed or not, I thought I used to go to church. I used to go to Babylon church. Pentecostal. You clap your hand and praise Jesus. So you have the same king man. He was in the village preaching about Rastafari. That is Bongo Jack. So a lot of them be gathering up by his house in sequence like different groups and so forth. For talking about Rastafari. So I used to go to church. So he used to come by the window every night and we'd stand in there and wait until the church all over. So he would listen to what the pastor have to say. Then he will take it from there and tell me more. More understanding of reading the same King James. You know? So that's where we get more understanding, because my wish is to find the fullness, life over death. Yes, I mean? Life over death. Yeah, and that's my seeking, and I did find life over death. Because when I say Rastafari and heal unto the King, he's supposed to supply you with life, because he said, give unto us life, that you may live it more abundantly. But the ways of sin is death. So all our doings, we must eliminate ourselves from that ways of sin, but cause sickness and death. Yeah, and make you withered way.
Dry up.
And you dry up. And you don't take no herb medicine. You don't eat nothing good. Yeah.
So what period of time it take you to learn all of this to start this and that?
You see, from 1977, I thought I said Rastafari, I call unto this video. And I asked Rastafari to open up my place in the earth. Me can't sing, me can't draw, me can't knit. Yeah, you know? So, I asked the Most High to give me something that I can be, you know, prudent within myself, feel good and complete within myself. So he opened up this room of earth through my King man. So I find comfort in it, and I continue, even though the King is not here now, I'm tried up. But I continue the journey. But this was what keep me alive, that we could find the food. Take it out in the street, meeting the people, and they take it. They said good, they tell them friend. So no matter you call that now, self survival. How to survive. We don't beg. Yeah? The Most High say, don't someone have a seat by the wayside begging bread. So you find something to do. Marcus Garvey said, if you can't get employment, you must do what? Empower yourself. So empowerment means you empower yourself in something what? Good. Not true? That's like what the ayat are. You know, empower yourself within Rastafari. Not true? Yeah, man. So we are here empowering ourselves. That's why Psalms 11 says, you know, he said the heavens declare the glory, right? Psalms 11 said the heavens declare the glory of him, and the firmament show it is handiwork. So you know when we first find out where is the heaven and who is the heaven. You know what I mean? Because we are here now, you know, declaring the truth, the word. So who are the heavens? I know the heavens of the Most High, you know, because the word are declared out of I and I, one to another, not true? Eh? So when I look up there, so you see the moon and the star, that's another heaven. Starry heaven, moony heaven. Yeah? So now drop come down, you know. Everything is here because we are part of the whole equation. understand me? The moon do his thing. Yeah, you know? The star do his thing.
Yeah.
The sun do his thing. So we are here to declare. Because we are the heavens of the Most High. Where He made us from His handmaid, not you? Eh? Let us have it there. What have it to one hand? Eh? Yeah, man. Let's have it there. The heal our majesty, because He said He shall come, but into a new name. So the new name, this, you know? The new name. Because when Jesus said Him will come. No long time ago, said Jesus will come. How much you know?
But not even that. For I and I grew up going here and said Jesus tried the earth. I mean, never hear no one say, you know, say me see Jesus and Jesus look like, oh, His Majesty look. I mean, no, say they say His Majesty walk earth. And ones see Him in their high. So,
you know what I'm saying? But
which
guess what?
one?
But guess what now? Jesus people is a liar.
Did that me say?
Because guess what? The man Jesus have long hair and long beard. And them not keep no precept.
No.
And guess what? If the man Jesus went right, all of the people who say Jesus should have named Brother Jesus and Sister Jesus. Answer me, man. Eh? When they walk on the street and walk in the glory of Rastafari, what they want them say?
Rastafari and Jamaican.
Eh? Well, they don't know you by John or James and that. They say, who? Rastafari. So how would that? Know your father name?
Because don't say by the food you shall know them.
Yeah. So you
So
call
I
by
and
your
I the
father.
food, so don't go up on the street and see one that one have to glorify
Yeah.
with. Although we don't see them.
You understand? Because the name written upon it. You understand me? So that's why them say we're mad. You understand me? Yeah.
But I would be a come on the bus. When the bus man reach out, they say, Master, Rasta, you reach your spot.
Yeah, I see? Yeah. So that's what Rasta says. Rasta is a light. Shining
Rasta,
bright.
you reach your spot.
So we must ever
That's
keep
it.
burning. Keep flaming. Keep doing good.
Yeah.
You know? And all things come, man. Yo, I know where I come from since then, you know. I'm out of my gate, mama. After me I call us and I look drive. I'm not get no drive. Until my youth come and work out the half moon, living at the retirement background. I know I'm going to pick me up. And we come and left me a half moon gate. I'm out there in the sun now. I look drive, no drive. And as I woke up, no one of my brethren born with Bashai.
Yeah.
I come straight as and I stop. I born with Bashai pick me up. So you're my next bench, you know, when we reach her. How you reach her so quick? I fly. So I say, hour, make it ask me so. Say him pass me. Say, you say, imagine you pass me. And you just stop pick me up. And you're going to ask me what time we reach her. If I fly. Fire burn, hot.
They don't come like Monday when we after being key. I will
Yes,
up there. I will be there. I used to take my bag and say, you know, so me I go put my bag right on sidewalk and I go look a ride. So me tell up there, about 3 vehicles pass and none no tap. I want virgin tap, you know, if I'm in camera come, we are halfway 3. You just give me $1,000 and say, brother, you don't know where you do. We jump off our bus.
Yeah, man. Power Rastafari, that's
And then I front me
Rastafari.
sit down get like that, you know.
Yeah, that's Rastafari.
Yes, I watch the bad Rastafari,
Yeah.
great, you know.
Witness enough time to
Yeah, man. What you know? Listen, me live up in the hills with my king, man. And we have a web picnic because me live with the next daughter like she. With the next daughter, with the one king. And produce picnic. Yes, I mean, rock top and all of them picnic. All of them. Enoch and Peter and Rafa. All of them. 2 mother bring them. But you don't know who bring them, but. And we have to say that I want to have me and that. That's true.
True, man.
So we just live. And we see that the king there no Rasta. We don't know water, mama. And we have to go far on our river to get water. And we live way up on top of the hill. And I see king just draw the kettle, you know, and start chanting up. And the sun hot, you know. And I see one black cloud just black up so. And rain fall, you know.
Full up.
And we catch one rim of water just enough to be the pit them and cook some food.
Oh, if I even that.
Oh, no more.
You know, I don't know once they beat and they get food.
You understand?
Rastafari,
So
man.
Rastafari is a natural liberty, my
Yeah.
brother. You understand me? No put on. Just a natural liberty. Clean and more side. Open up. So you live clean and open up.
Open up doors, you know,
Open up.
you know, You need
Walk now.
You need to think of.
You know, because we are the fruit of his pasture, you know. There is unnamed. He said, think it not rabbit to be equal. Yeah? You know, sir? Yeah, man. So that's why I can tell her once I'm 100 and because, yes, me live night and day.
Yeah.
Yeah, me no slave.
Make all that sense.
Me no slave.
Describe the significance herb and Rastafari have together, or the significance of herb to Rastafari. I mean, I just talk just weed, just herbs.
You know, totally overall.
Yeah.
Because herb is a healing of the nation. Not only for smoke. You understand me? Because you can eat the herb, but even you can choose to smoke if you want. So herb overall, a healing of the nation. You have the jack in the bush, the chicken, the bitter wood, the rice bitters. All of them did it. You have Bible.
All that there.
You know, leaf of life.
Leaf of life.
You know, but you have herbs for the head, herbs for the chest, and herbs for the belly.
He said firmer we are
So
pass
you
a
have
garden and ochi in the firm gully.
Yeah.
Good for your stomach.
Yeah. So you see herb are healing. Herb, he said every leaves of the tree are
Medicine.
healing of the nation. He said we'll give it unto you all green herb, what heal what? Seed. It was given unto us for meat. So we eat meat.
Green meat.
Drink it too.
And drink it. You understand me?
Definitely.
That's the fullness. You understand me? So all of them something now.
The
make
guava
you-
leaf.
You know?
Good for pain now your joint.
Alright, even since first night, girl job, me get the allergy when my nose gets stuffy. And I say, what? I may not beat up a portion of ginger now. I make some strong ginger tea with some neem in it. And you see me drink it? Yeah man, I eat every man, I'm rest. Strong ginger tea. Yeah. Because virus come in, you know.
Yeah.
And eat it, you know. So when you eat up, what you gonna do? You have to know the method. I'm going to dig up piece of Guinean first.
Yeah.
And smell and get him chopped up. Yes, I say I've been doing the thing Rasta.
So, what are some of the traditional ital dishes that you prepare for yourself?
Not traditional because I guess I plant bean. So peas and beans, all different grains. You know? And then I don't love chunks. Because nobody don't know what going up in that chunks. Everybody run on chunks. You see what I say? Yeah man, so we prepare look out on the out of the seed there, so, and get some creation from the seed. Then we might even feed some natural Dr. Fish. You understand? Natural more than the chunks. Chenny they make tofu now. You know what I'm kind up in there? There's some egg white they put in it.
Reggie shaky head.
Shiny. Mass production. Everybody run down tofu. You see what I say? So peas and beans and your grains and pumpkin and them things, man. And, you know?
Why?
All yesterday we make some yati. But a lintel. Nice.
And some of something I come make when I go when I don't
You
go.
know?
A lentil burger.
Oh, lintel burger.
But I
Okay.
didn't make it, you know.
Alright. No problem.
So we could have that a couple of Antigua man, them no eat meat. So all of them something them you know.
Just can't.
And then people that help people to cook, you know.
You see, right now, listen.
All the time they eat meat upon Friday and you have to boil the soup different. The food can boil in a soup.
Okay.
I don't see peas and the meat boil together.
Okay.
And I mostly split peas and the meat boil. But you see food, cook it different.